This is topmost portion of our HHM main BMW main engine. You can see the exhaust valve and all 6 cylinder heads. The engine maximum continuous rating is 6780 kilowatt at 107 rpm. This is our main engine emergency maneuvering stand. If our electronic governance system fails or normal engine control system fails, immediately we change our maneuvering system to local stand. After receiving orders from bridge telegraphs, we set the fuel lever to start position and then pressing start button, we start the engine, and then pressing stop button, engine can be stopped as required. This is our alpha lubricator high pressure pump assembly and local panel for these pumps. As you can see, 2 high pressure pump is provided. This pump can produce 40 to 50 bar pressure. Now I would like to show you the lubricators for number 1 to number 3 unit for our main engine. The cylinder lubrication system is controlled by the master control unit and which calculates the injection frequency on the basis of the engine speed signal given by the tacho signal and the fuel index. Lubricating control functions such as MEP dependent and load change dependent are all incorporated in the main BMW cylinder lubrication system.
This is main engine exhaust gas thermometer. It is powered by solar system. It takes power from engine room floodlight.
Ready.
This is jacket temperature sensor. We can monitor jacket temperature of individual unit from engine control room.
Here you can see local temperature indicating digital display for main engine thrust bearing. As you know, the thrust bearing temperature monitoring is very much essential for ensuring main engine safety. Thrust bearing temperature is fed to the engine safety control system, which activates automatic slowdown and shutdown of.
Now you can see lube oil pump number 1 and number 2. We have to keep one of the pumps automatically standby so that in case of failure of the running pump, another pump starts automatically.
This is the rear view of our main engine air cooler. The purpose of air cooler is to reduce air temperature and increase density of the charged air. More fuel can be burned and more power can be produced. It also reduces the exhaust temperature.